You've heard the phrase, "We're moving into 5D." But what does that really mean? Is it a place, a new planet, a cosmic upgrade where we all float around with halos and free Wi-Fi? Let's clear the illusion and go deeper. Fifth dimensional Earth isn't a destination. It's a state of consciousness, and more importantly, it's a choice. You see, in 3D, we live in separation, good versus bad, you versus me, fear versus love. In 4D, we begin to awaken. We question, we heal, we unlearn the old patterns and get glimpses of something more. But in 5D, we remember. We remember that love is not a feeling, it's a frequency. That time is not linear, it's elastic. That nothing happens to us, it happens through us. So, how do you know what dimension you're operating from? It's not about crystals or vocabulary or spiritual flair. It's about your default state. Are you reacting with fear or responding with presence? Are you trying to control or choosing to trust? Are you feeding judgment or embodying compassion, even when it's hard? The shift to 5D isn't loud, it's light. Let's talk practical. You don't need to leave your job, your family, or the planet. You just need to shift how you show up within them. Try this. Practice empathic reframing. When someone annoys you, pause. Ask, what is this here to teach me about my own vibration? Use timeline tuning. Each morning, imagine the version of you that is already aligned with peace and joy. Now, walk like them, speak like them, think like them. It's not pretending, it's remembering. Because the higher self isn't far away. It's whispering right now. Through your breath, your intuition, your calm. And yes, there will still be bills. Yes, people will still cut you off in traffic. Yes, the world is still noisy. But the difference is, you no longer match the frequency of fear. You've upgraded the inner software. As Abraham Hicks teaches, your only job is to tune your signal. The universe responds to vibration, not effort. So no, 5D isn't somewhere you go after death. It's where you lead from, so while alive. It's the smile you offer a stranger, the breath you take before reacting, the boundary you set without guilt, the prayer you whisper before sleep, not asking, but thanking. Here's the truth. You don't enter 5D. You become it. And as you hold that frequency, others feel it. They begin to remember too. That's how Earth shifts. Not through force, through frequency. So, beloved soul, welcome to 5D. Not the new world you escape into, but the one you were born to anchor. Thank you for spending your time with me today. So, until next time, remember, your freedom starts with you.